Look at that. Storm's coming up. It's a severe thunderstorm. Now take a look at that. Oh yeah, that cloud is something. And these clouds are moving really fast. It's noticeably windy. It's very windy actually. It's starting to rain right now. We might just hear a bit of rumbling here. You can see down there space. You can see the space there. Clouds are moving very fast. This storm's coming up really strong. God, that is pretty. That's pretty right there. June 4th, 2021, this storm's hitting hard.